Hello everyone, this is Anaish. I am 14 years old and I am learning Premiere Pro from my father who is a professional video editor, and I also wanna be the one too. This is day 5 of my learning journey and today he taught me 10 keyboard shortcuts for Premiere Pro, and in this video I am going to show you guys those 10 shortcuts for Premiere Pro. And I think if you are new to Premiere Pro, these can make you work much faster. So let's just begin without wasting our time. So the first key is C. You have to press C from the keyboard and this tool will allow you to cut or split your video clip from wherever you want, like this. Now the second shortcut is V. This tool will allow you to select or move or adjust your video clip on the timeline. Now the third key is Control K. This will cut or split your video clip from the position where playhead is present, like this. Now the fourth key is spacebar. I think this is the most common and famous key that everyone knows. Like this, from the space you can play or pause your video. Now the fifth key is Control Z. It is used when you have made a mistake or you want to undo your last move. For example, now I'm pressing Control Z and it will undo my last move. Now the sixth key is Control S. This would allow you to save your project. Now the seventh key is Control C. Using this key you can just copy your element or video clip. And eighth key is Control V. Using this key you can just simply paste whatever you have copied, like this. Just look at it. I just copied this thing and I've pasted this here. And the ninth key is R. By pressing R from the keyboard you can just simply stretch or shrink your video. This tool helps you increase or decrease the speed of your video. You can just look at it. Now the 10th key is A. You can just simply press A from your computer and this key will select all the video clips or elements from the point where you have clicked, like this. And that's it for today. I hope you find my video useful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in day 6 of my learning journey.